This free tutorial will show you how to fade in music in Capcut PC online video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to fade in music in Capcut PC is to go under to your import bin right here next to audio on the top left hand screen. And basically we want to fade in this right here. So I'm going to click add to track. Well, you can locate whichever part of the music track that you want to fade in, so I'll be right back. Okay, and once you're happy and satisfied, let's say we want to fade in this music track. So first, we're going to add a cut right here. Be in your keyboard. Oh, whoops. Click A and then delete. And basically go all the way back to the beginning. Click your audio or music track or piece, and then go to the top right hand screen. And under basic, if you do not see this, it's the first tab next to voice changer. If you don't see basic, you need to click on basic. See what I did there? And then underneath volume, fade in, you want to drag this to the right. And basically, as you can see on our audio piece, it's creating a peak or a curve, let's say 3 seconds. And this is what this sounds like. So notice how it fades in a little bit versus this. Feel free to mess with the settings. If you want a more aggressive fade in, you can fade this in for a longer duration, let's say 6 seconds, and this is what this sounds like.